The Aroma rice cooker. Now if you're like me, I eat rice every day just about, and this one really caught my eye. I've been using it for a little while, and I like the simplicity of it. So inside here, you can see these measurements. So if you want to use those measurements instead of, having to drag out a measuring cup, you can use that. And you put your rice and your water in there, and then close that up. And then all you have to do is you just press that down, and then it would say cook. And when it's done, it pops up by itself and old say warm. And you're done. Steam will come out here. And it's that simple. It's a really easy way to cook rice. I used to just actually boil it in a pot, until I found out the magic of rice cookers. And I wanted something. I'm not trying to do anything fancy. I'm sure this has more capabilities. But I just wanted to cook some rice without having to, really worry over it. This does it, keeps it warm. Then you have this nice scoop too. Scoop it out when it's done. And yeah, that's it. And it's easy to clean. This is non-stick, so it's really easy. Once the rice is out, it's pretty much just a light rinse and it comes out. This also pops out and is very easy to clean as well. So then back here in the back, there's a thing that catches any excess fluids that might trip off. You just dump that out for quick rinse. So I am very happy with this rice maker. I think you would be too, so long as you're just trying to do simple stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.